Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known how to apply table creation in HTML form with the help of bootstrap framework. See the page you are seeing here, it's a very beautification called the table header is applied something here. Color and opposite color of font colors. And see 1, 2, 3, this is the text is a bold and here it is getting some rows, and in between the table we can also highlight some row like this. We'll see how it is very easy using bootstrap. Go to the code part. Let's see here how it is super easy. I'll show you here very simple like a table. How we are going to preparing in our HTML, we'll use the table and table head will take it, and table class it is we just simply called as it's a table class. That's it. And moreover here you have to apply for the table head like a t head hyphen dark. You can change this. Many classes are available to identify where you to identify. I'll show you. And the table body, once it is a completed table head, you have to initiate table body, and the scope, the rows you have to specify. In between, if you want to make it as something like a light or anything, if you want to color like this, you can make one more head and apply these things. That's it. All about to over. And all this code by making a simple table called here, you will get it from that bootstrap site. You see here, if you want to find out a table will be in the component cities. If you didn't find like a component, you just simply search here table. That's it. You click the table here and you will get the table exactly where it is. Now see here the example of a basic table. Here it is. Take this copy of this code and appropriately you can change the column titles and the headers what you want to display. And moreover, you see the beautification of this table. Just simply take the table dot. That's it. You will be getting all this. And if you want to change like this is the example I have shown you for our example real time with our practical session. And moreover, you will see here stripper show like this. If you want, you can take this thing very simple like a table stripper. You have to call the table space table hyphen stripped. You will get this view. How many rows? It's not a problem at all for to display. Any number of rows are going to be creating here in this particular table. It will be all will apply the same style. And moreover, you take this is the dark, and this is the light completely, and bordered like a border it is displaying rather than it is not having the border. And moreover, you will get like this, and see the plain without border. Likewise, you will find n number of table hover and hover. Like see, when I place the mouse, it will be highlighting something. If you want this effect in your table, you just take a copy of this and add your code form of this place of after the body. You have to take these lines and replace which body and which table you want to display at your HTML form. See more examples. You can take small table and the small fonts and a dark with the same, and more beautification of the colors as well. One by one, all the colors will be displayed one by one. Like see here, active, primary, secondary, success, danger. Which color you want to, like a primary success, secondary success, danger, warning. Which if you want to make something a row is a warning or low profile or something, you are distinguished rows with different type of value condition. Yes, you make it as a make the specified condition throughout this particular class. You will get the colors and more beautification of the colors here. See, such way you can easily tackle these things and display the code very simple, super easy. Yes, I hope you will practice more and more for this table to make it as a creation of presenting the data of your beautification with the help of bootstrap. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.